Yay! Candy time is the best time! Hey, can I have some candy? No way. Just this one piece? Nope. This candy belongs to us. Okay, then I'll have to use my star wand. What? What just happened? Am I tiny? Did you just shrink, Claire? Yep, and I'm casting a spell on you too. That'll teach them. Now back to my normal form.
Whoa, wait. This isn't what I look like.
Phew! There we go. Much better. Okay, Claire. Pick a challenge. I got small and you got big! Yes! Look how huge my gelatin eye is! Mine's tiny and disappointing. Oh! Yours is gigantic! Look, I can see my reflection! This is boring. They haven't done anything yet. It kinda grosses me out. Rawr! Time to eat my eyeball! Okay, now I'm really getting grossed out. Huh. My little eye looks like it's watching me. Julie! Julie! Check out my little eye. It's being weird, right? I don't know, Claire. Seems like a normal gelatin eye to me. Huh. I guess so. Time to pop it in my mouth. No! How does it taste? Wait. What is this? It's like a little camera. Hey, your eyeball came with a surprise inside. Here, take a picture of me with the mini camera. Smile. Ooh, that was a good one. Ugh, back to being boring, I see. Here, Claire. Take a look. Ew. No good. Take some more. This isn't fun anymore. You know what? That's it! Ah! Hair flip and another. Julie, what happened to the tiny camera?
Don't know.
Okay. Next challenge time. Here you go. Aw, I got small again. Whoa, Julie! You got that whole donut just for yourself! Aw, but your little donuts are cute! Well, a little donut is still a donut, and the best part is, I can do this. A donut on each finger. Like my donut rings, Julie? Snack time! Mmm, they're so fresh and good! Well, okay. Time to dig into my giant donut! That's what I'm talking about! So good! Eating this donut makes me feel like it's raining donuts all over me! Now's my chance while she's daydreaming! Donuts everywhere! Big donuts! Little donuts! Into my mouth, donut! Oh, this donut is fantastic! I gotta really dig into this. Looks like Julie is still in dreamland. I wish I had more hands so I could eat this even faster. Oh, I can't believe I ate her whole donut! I gotta hide the evidence before she sees what happened. This'll do the trick. Donuts here, donuts there, donuts everywhere! Wait, I don't need to dream about donuts when I have one. Donut? Is that you? What happened? Claire, this isn't my donut. This is a picture of my donut. Julie, I think I can help. Here's some sprinkles for you. Yup, sprinkles are great. There you go. Enjoy! Yay! Pick the new challenge! Yes! I finally got big! And it's a Skittles challenge! Yes! This is the biggest Skittle ever and it's all mine! Well, whatever. I've still got Skittles. Even though they're small. It still tastes good. Oh, giant Skittle, I love you so much! Julie! What happened to you? Huh? What do you mean? Here, look. What? What is that? Where did it come from? Is it because of the Skittle I ate? La 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 la. Just polish it. Oops! Our shirts changed colors! What's going on? What's happening? Ah! My face! It's added another stripe of color! It has to be the Skittles, right? Julie, maybe you should stop eating them. Ah! It didn't go away! Not at all! Let's mix them up this time. Are you ready? Let's open them. Yay! Big again! Pizza! Julie, I got big pizza! Aw, I got tiny pizza. Who wants tiny pizza? No one. Well, I may as well eat it. Down the hatch! What's this strange sensation? Ah! Julie! Hi, Claire. Just looking at your pizza. Well, I guess I'll be taking my pizza elsewhere. That's Claire and her pizza! And she's eating it all! How is she even doing that? Whoa, the lights are back on. That pizza was delish! Oh, a leftover piece of pepperoni. Hey, where's my challenge card? It's right here. Magic! Come on, small again? Sushi! Mine's just a normal slice. It's not even the whole roll. Claire, that sushi is bigger than your head! I know, it's great, right? Well, good sushi is good no matter the size. Down the hatch, sushi roll! I'm ready with my chopsticks. Wait. How am I supposed to, use the chopsticks? Let's try the two-handed method. Oof. It's no use. The roll is too heavy. You know what? Forget the chopsticks. Ooh, look! Wasabi! I do like me some wasabi. A lot of sushi needs a lot of wasabi. Whoa, Claire. You're going kinda overboard, don't you think? No way! You can never have too much wasabi! It's sushi munching time! Watch this! Wow. That's, maybe I should check on the challengers. Oh, she's eating the big sushi roll. How about a change? Julie! Do I have a whole fish in my mouth? She had the whole fish in her mouth! Okay, final challenge. Pick one, Julie. And flip them over. Bummer. I'm back to small. Gummy bears, they're adorable! Mine are so little and cute. My gummy bear is all giant and wobbly. Look, it's the size of my head. Speaking of heads, off you go! Time to eat this gummy bear head. Wow, Julie, that's kinda brutal. To each their own, I guess. On to my bears. It's so wee! But full of flavor. Hey, I have this tape measure. I have a great idea! Follow me! It's a gummy bear slide! Geronimo! Whee! I'm gonna live forever! Gulp. Your turn! Here it comes, Claire! Oh no! Claire! Look out! Big or small? Which one would you rather get? Let us know in the comments! And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to 123 Go Challenge's YouTube page for more great videos like this one!